Okay, so how do we add somebody to GTM? I will show you how to do that. Super easy. I just have to find a demo account that's good to show you for. This one's good. So once you're in the GTM interface, here's the overview page. You want to go up to admin on the top. Okay. Once you're in admin, you can either add people at the account level or at the container level. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you how to add somebody at the container level. So you want to go over to user management at the container level. Click on plus, add user. Type in their address here, their email address, excuse me, and then add all of the permissions here. Publish, they can publish container versions. Approve, they can create container versions. Edit, they can create workspaces and edit tags, triggers, and variables. They cannot modify user permissions. Or read, they can just view the container. They can view tags, triggers, and variables. So once you hit the invite button, they will be sent an email and they have to approve the request in GTM. Okay, I might as well show you at the account level. So at the account level, if you go over here to user management, same thing, top right, blue plus button, click that, add users, enter their email here. The difference here is if you add them as a user, they can just view the basic account information, i.e. all the various containers under that account. If you add them as an administrator, they can create new containers under this account, and they can do whatever they want with those containers. That's why I said for the purpose of this video, we are just going to talk about user management at the container level because we want to add somebody to the container to get them to modify the basic tags and variables. So adding somebody as publish will allow them to do that. So they can modify tags, triggers, and variables, and they can also publish. If you don't want them to publish, just set them up with edit access. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. Have a good one. Bye-bye.